Welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to transfer photos, videos and files between your Android phone and your computer. It might not be as straightforward as you think, which is why you might be on this video. So firstly, you obviously need to connect your phone to your Windows PC using the cable. Ensure that the cable is not broken and that each end of the cable is connected properly. If, when you click on your phone from within Windows, it shows this folder is empty, we'll be fixing that today. To do this on your phone, scroll down from the top and find where it says Android System. It might say USB charging next to it. Tap on that notification and then again to bring up the options. In these settings, you should be able to change it from charging phone to transferring files. If you can't and it's grayed out, I'll show you how to fix that now. You need to turn on developer options first if you haven't already, and to do this you will need to go to your phone's settings and then find your About Phone section. It could be at the bottom of the main settings page or within the system settings. Once you're in the About Phone section, look for where it says Build Number. Once again, depending on your phone, it could be in slightly different locations. It could be on the first page, or you may have to look for it elsewhere, for example in the Software Information section. When you find it, tap on it 7 times. This will turn on developer options. You may also need to input your phone PIN number too for it to work. It should say something like developer mode has been enabled. Now that you have the developer options, they will now appear at the bottom of your phone's main settings page, so go to there now. In the developer options, scroll down until you find the default USB configuration setting. Tap on that and then finally select transferring files. Now you should be able to access your phone's files in Windows. You might need to keep your phone unlocked when you do this though. And that's it. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you in another video.